Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to see how to change an engine air filter in here with the 2021 to 2025 Kia Seltos. Step number one is open the hood. Push it this way. Secure the hood. Within the engine bay, your air filter is within this air box right here. So all you have to do is release two clips, no tools needed. As you can see here, there's one clip here. Push it back, released. And there's one other one right here, released. And all you have to do is see this side, it's hinged on the other side. So pull it up and pull forward a little bit and you can put it out of the way, and there's your filter. Let's take it and inspect it. This is after 18 months of driving. Not bad at all. A little bit of debris. You can just vacuum this right up and put it right back in. I don't need to replace this, but if you replace it, I can put a link of that new filter in the description. You can pick it up from that. It's not a bad idea at this point to vacuum out this air box right now, because if there's debris in there, it is best to clean it out now. Let's put this back on. Just have to slide it in, make sure everything is sealed right up. And this doesn't have any special notches, so just make sure that you're putting the right side up, and that's it. We hinge these two tabs onto these little holes right here. Let's mate those tabs into those holes. Right, nice fit. And a snug placement. Put the clips back on. One. And two. And that's it. That's how you change your engine air filter. It's only going to cost you $15 if you follow the link in the description and buy it. But if you go to the dealer, they may charge you over $100 for it. So there you have it, how to change your engine air filter on a 2021 and above Kia Seltos.